Welcome to Mind Haven, your sanctuary for peace and joy, where we will embark on this guided meditation for happiness, a journey to find your inner light. I'm so glad you've joined me at Mind Haven today to take this time for yourself, to nurture your heart and rediscover the happiness that lives within you. To begin, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whichever feels best. Let your body settle into your space, feeling supported and at ease. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with a sense of lightness. Pause for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any heaviness you might be carrying. Wonderful. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, feeling a spark of joy, and exhale, letting go of any tension. Now, allow your breathing to flow naturally as we begin this journey to happiness. Imagine yourself standing at the entrance to a beautiful garden, bathed in the golden glow of a warm, sunny day. The air is soft and fragrant, filled with the scent of blooming flowers, roses, lavender, and jasmine mingling in a delicate bouquet. You step forward onto a path of smooth, sun-warmed stones, feeling the gentle heat beneath your feet. Around you, vibrant flowers in every color of the rainbow sway lightly in the breeze. Bright yellows, soft pinks, deep purples, and fiery reds. Butterflies flutter gracefully from bloom to bloom, their wings shimmering in the sunlight. In the distance, you hear the cheerful chirping of birds, their song weaving a melody of joy through the garden. This garden feels alive with happiness, and you feel a smile begin to spread across your face as you take it all in. With each step along the path, you feel lighter, as if the garden is filling you with its radiant energy. The path leads you to a cozy spot, a soft patch of grass beneath a graceful willow tree, its long branches draping down like a gentle curtain. You sit or lie down here, feeling the grass beneath you, so soft and inviting, like a warm embrace from earth. The sunlight filters through the willow's leaves, casting dappled patterns of light across your skin, warm and comforting. The breeze brushes against your face, carrying the sweet scent of flowers, and you feel a deep sense of peace settle into your heart. This garden is a reflection of your own inner joy, a place where happiness blooms effortlessly. Let's deepen this feeling with your breath. Take a slow, gentle inhale through your nose, imagining you're breathing in the golden sunlight of this garden, filling your body with warmth and happiness. Then exhale softly through your mouth, letting go of any worries or doubts, allowing them to dissolve into the breeze. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, drawing in joy and light. And exhale, releasing anything that dims your happiness. Beautiful. Now let your breath flow naturally, like the gentle breeze moving through the garden, carrying happiness to every part of your being. As you rest in this peaceful spot, notice a soft golden light beginning to glow at the center of your chest, right where your heart is. This light is your inner happiness, a radiant glow that's always been with you, waiting to shine. With each breath, this light grows brighter, spreading warmth through your chest, down your arms, and up to the crown of your head. It flows down through your legs, reaching your toes, filling your entire body with a sense of joy and lightness. This light is a reminder of all the beauty within you, your kindness, your laughter, your strength. As it glows, imagine it reaching outward, touching the garden around you. The flowers bloom even more vibrantly. The butterflies dance with extra delight, and the birds sing a little louder, as if celebrating your happiness. Now, let your mind drift to a moment in your life when you felt truly happy. A memory that brings a smile to your face. It might be a time spent with loved ones, a moment of achievement, or simply a quiet day when you felt at peace. Picture this memory as if it's happening right now in this garden. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the warmth of that happiness filling you up. As you hold this memory, let gratitude wash over you. Silently thank yourself for all the joy you have experienced, and for the joy that's yet to come. This garden, this light, this happiness, it's always there for you, ready to welcome you whenever you need it. Let these affirmations sink into your heart, helping you carry this happiness with you. You can repeat them silently if you like, or simply let them settle within you. I am filled with happiness and light. I choose joy in every moment. I am grateful for the beauty in my life. I radiate happiness to myself and others. Feel these words take root. I am filled with happiness and light. Your glowing joy. I choose joy in every moment. Happiness is your natural state. I am grateful for the beauty in my life. You are surrounded by blessings. I radiate happiness to myself and others. Your joy is a gift to the world. Take a moment to bask in this feeling of happiness, letting it fill every part of you. Your body feels light, your heart feels full, and your mind is at peace. This inner light, this joy, it's yours to keep. a glowing reminder of the happiness that lives within you. As you prepare to return, know that you can visit this garden anytime you need a boost of joy. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling the surface beneath you. Take one more deep breath in, carrying this happiness with you, and exhale with a soft smile. Open your eyes when you're ready, feeling refreshed, joyful, and at peace. Thank you for joining me on this journey to happiness. Until next time, keep shining your inner light.